Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your Wi-Fi password. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user and you would like to go into your Windows 11 right now, you can do it right now for free, of course, just through your settings. Once you do that, you can run the installation, of course, into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. You'll not even notice the difference. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any files, any apps, or any documents from your PC, so don't worry about this side. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10, maybe if because you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or you just like the Windows 10. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will like it even much better and you will stay on it. So as we said, is we would like to view our Wi-Fi password on this PC or on this Windows 11. So if you want to do it, of course, you can just go into your settings and let's just open the settings with Windows I on my keyboard. Of course, you can use it or open it with your regular way. Go to network and internet, and here, if you have a Wi-Fi, you will have the option of Wi-Fi. For me, I don't have a Wi-Fi card. I'm a desktop user. I use just the Ethernet cable. But for you, of course, you will have a Wi-Fi option. Just go and click on it and then select your Wi-Fi network name. And of course, in the Wi-Fi setter, you can just go and select the wireless properties. And in the wireless network properties, you can just select the security tab and then select show the characters, and your Wi-Fi password will be displayed. Of course, there is the same options, which is the command prompts. You can just go and open it up, and here you can simply type uh, a code which is NETSH space WLAN. Oh, sorry, I'm not writing anything. NETSH space WLAN space, and here you should type show profile space name, and here don't write a space, just write equal, and here just type your Wi-Fi name. Let's say, for example, my Wi-Fi name is test. I'm going to write test, no space, and key space clear. And of course, if you have a Wi-Fi with the name test and you already connected to it, when you click at enter, you will find your Wi-Fi code right here. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.